Hi everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. See this problem. Here three terms are given, that is log 2 base 3 and log of 2 power x minus 5 base 3 and log of 2 power x minus 7 by 2 base 3. So are said to be in AP series. Then how can you find the missing value x? Suppose the three terms are there. Let A, B, C. So whenever these three terms are said to be in AP series, so then we have one relation, that is the mean, that is A plus C by 2 is always equal to middle term. Now apply this law here. So this is A term and this is B term and this is C term. So according to this, it becomes log 2 base 3 plus log of 2 power x minus 7 by 2 by 2, that's equal to B term, that is log of 2 power x minus 5 base 3. So bring these two on right hand side, then it becomes log 2 base 3 plus log of 2 power x minus 7 by 2, thus equal to 2 times of log of 2 power x minus 5 base 3. Now here how can we simplify it? So it is the form of, so here both terms have bases are same. Okay, so whenever bases are same, so log A plus log B can be written as log AB. So whenever bases are same, apply this law. So here bases are 3. Now according to this, it becomes log of product these two terms, that is 2 into 2 power x minus 7 by 2 base 3, thus equal to 2 into log of 2 power x minus 5 base 3. So it can be written as n log A can be written as log of a power n. So according to this, so it becomes here, it becomes square, this 2 power x minus 5 whole square. Now here both sides logs are same, so the values are be equal, that is, so whenever log A equal to log B, so according to Logarithm properties, at that time we can say that A equal to B. So whenever bases are equal, so then we can say that A equal to B. That means these two terms are equal. So that is, so 2 into 2 power x minus 7 by 2, thus equal to this term, that is 2 power x minus 5 whole square. Now how can we simplify this for getting x value here? So if you expand the equation in terms of 2 power x, it looks complex. So for that I am going to substitute 2 power x with variable t. Now it becomes, so in the place of 2 power x I am going to substitute one variable t, that is t. So t minus here minus 7 by 2 equal to, so t minus 5 whole square. So it becomes 2t minus, so it becomes 2t cancel here, it becomes 7. So that's equal to, here a minus b whole square formula. So that is t square plus 5 square minus 2ab. So minus 2 means 2 5 is 10, this is 10t. Now bring all terms onto one side. So by rearranging, it becomes t square plus 5 square means 25. So minus 10t. So bring minus 2 here, it becomes plus 7, thus be equal to 0. Now it becomes t square plus 25 minus, so minus 10t, minus 10 what? Minus 12t. So here plus 7 is there, plus 25, nothing but plus 32. So plus 32 minus 20 equal to 0. That is t square minus 2t plus 32 equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. By applying factorization formula, it becomes so t minus 8 into t minus 4. So adding 8 minus 8 minus 4 becomes minus 2r. By producting minus 8 minus 4 plus 32. So now it becomes equal to 0. So from this we get t equal to 8 comma 4. But here according to the problem we need x value. So but here t nothing but 2 power x. Substitute 2 power x in the place of t. So it becomes 2 power x equal to, in case 1, 8. In another case 2 power x equal to 4. In case 1, whenever x equal to 3, it becomes 8. In case 2, whenever x equal to 2, it becomes 4. So x value is 3 comma 2. So these are the required x values for the given problem. But here whenever substitute 2 value in this term, it is not be defined. So 2 is not valid for the solution. So for this problem, only x equal to 3 is valid. Means whenever x equal to 3, it will give values for all the terms. But whenever x equal to 2, it does not give value for this b term. So only for x equal to 3 valid for all the terms. So that x equal to 3 is the only solution for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share